Hey guys, it's Stephanie with Simarchy and welcome to a tutorial. This is part of a playlist for advanced tutorials, so make sure to check those out in the description below, or if you're a beginner, there's a series for beginners as well on how to build in The Sims 4. Now today, I'm going to show you how to make a puddle. A puddle, you might ask, why would you want to do a puddle? Lots of reasons. Let's say you're building an abandoned home. Let's say you have an aquarium that's been cracked open by a tub that fell through from the second story of your house and the fishies are going everywhere and there's puddles all over the floor. Yeah, I did that. Insert, wow, I can talk. Insert screenshot somewhere here. But yeah, there's plenty of ways to get creative with puddles. I've been racking my brain on how to do this. Now, of course, this needs the laundry day stuff pack. If you do not have it, I don't know of any other way to make like realistic looking puddles, but we're going to go ahead and sort our packs by laundry day. Next, I'm going to put on two cheats, testing cheats on. I'm not sure if you need that one, but I always do it anyways. And then we're going to do bb.show hidden objects and then also bb.move objects on. I have a whole video on common cheats that I use. If you want to check that out, that is in the playlist in the description. So what we want to do is find all of our laundry day stuff. So I'm just going to go into the search bar and hit search for show all. And now that we have the cheat on, we have these little piles of folded clothes. There is a base game, I think, pile of folded clothes as well. Did I turn my bb.move objects on? bb.move. Okay, there we go. It won't work with those. It only works with the ones that came with the laundry pack. So what you want to do is then go into live mode and you're going to shift click on the piles, each one, and set laundry state to soaked. So I'm going to do that again with this, soaked, and this, soaked. Then you have to make sure to hit play until the little, I'm pointing like you can see, until the little queue of actions is gone. So they're actually starting to leak. Now we're going to go into build mode, and the trick is to hide the shirts as well as we can. Now we're going to grab the shirt and we're going to use our size down cheat. Again, I do have another tutorial on how to do that, but you basically grab the item and hit the left bracket key. I usually hit Control 2. I don't know if that's necessary or not, but we want the shirts as tiny as possible, but now we have to cover them. So depending on what type of puddle you're making, you can cover them with a bunch of different objects. I'm going to use a rock right here for this one, so it looks just like water coming out of a rock. And then if you're doing the aquarium thing that I just showed you, you can get a little goldfish out of Bug, and it's kind of harder to cover it up with the goldfish. You got to get kind of creative. You can upsize the goldfish one, but if you place it just right, it's usually not too noticeable. You almost can't even see that shirt pile now. And you could use other fish. I don't know what else you could possibly use, but there you go. I know you guys are creative. You'll figure it out. So now when we go into live mode and we hit play, we've got a little puddle outside. Isn't that cool? It works indoors as well. Just a cute little trick to give you guys some ideas, get those creative juices flowing. And if you are into tutorials and cool stuff like this, make sure to subscribe because there's a ton coming, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget those playlists are in the description if you want to check out more cool things in The Sims 4. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye! Wait guys, before you go anywhere, don't forget to click over here to watch new videos and click on my face when I disappear to subscribe.